Hi everybody, this is Tim Urdan, author of Statistics in Plain English, and in this video I'm going to describe how to read Appendix G. So Appendix G provides the critical W values for the Wilcoxon signed rank test. This is sort of a non-parametric equivalent to a paired or dependent t-test. And what you do is you go through the steps to calculate the W statistic, your observed W statistic, and you compare that to the critical W statistic that you can find in Appendix G. So here's how you read it. Over here, you have your n's, your sample sizes. This is how many pairs are being compared. If you have 20 cases and it's say 20 students that took a test before they drank a glass of juice, and then they took a test again after the glass of juice to see if their test scores changed once they got some sugar in their bloodstream, then the number of cases would be 20. So then you look at your alpha levels and you can see what the critical W value is for different alpha levels. So say you're looking for an alpha level of 0.05 right there, and you have 20 cases, then your critical W value is 52. And for your observed W to be considered statistically significant, it would need to be smaller than the critical value. So unlike a lot of other tests, the F value, the t-tests, F values in ANOVAs, t-tests, for t-tests, the observed value needs to be smaller than the critical value in a Wilcoxon signed rank test for it to be considered statistically significant. So that's how you read this table. You can see there's sort of two separate tables, one for n's 5 through 27 and one for n's 28 through 50. And each sample size has a different critical W value for a different alpha level. So that's it. Pretty simple. You can see for sample sizes of 5 and 6, there is no observed W that will be small enough to be considered statistically significant. So you can't really get up into any statistical significant results, at least at the 0.05 level, until you have sample sizes of at least 7, preferably quite a bit larger. So that's it. Pretty straightforward.